Meal prepping is a game changer for families looking to maintain a healthy lifestyle amidst busy schedules. With a bit of planning and organization, you can create nutritious and delicious meals that cater to the tastes and needs of the entire family. Healthy meal prep ideas not only save time during the week, but also ensure that everyone has access to wholesome, balanced meals. This approach simplifies cooking, reduces stress, and promotes better eating habits for everyone in the household. One effective strategy for meal prepping is to plan and prepare meals in bulk. Start by choosing a few versatile recipes that can be adapted to different tastes and dietary needs. For example, prepare a big batch of quinoa or brown rice as a base for various dishes. Combine it with a variety of roasted vegetables, lean proteins like chicken breast or tofu, and different sauces to keep the meals interesting. Portion these ingredients into containers so that each meal is balanced and ready to go. Another useful tip is to create build-your-own meal stations. For instance, prepare components for taco night with seasoned ground turkey or black beans, along with an assortment of toppings such as lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, and cheese. Store these ingredients separately so that family members can assemble their own tacos according to their preferences. This approach not only caters to individual tastes, but also makes mealtime more interactive and fun. Smoothies are another fantastic option for healthy meal prep. Blend together fruits, vegetables, and a protein source such as Greek yogurt or a plant-based protein powder. Portion the smoothie ingredients into freezer bags and freeze them. In the morning, simply blend the contents with some liquid for a quick, nutritious breakfast or snack. This method ensures that you always have a healthy option on hand, even on the busiest days. Incorporating salads into your meal prep can also be highly effective. Prepare large batches of salad ingredients, such as mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and shredded carrots. Keep the dressing separate to prevent the salad from becoming soggy. You can then add a protein source like grilled chicken, chickpeas, or hard-boiled eggs to each salad just before serving. This method allows for fresh, crisp salads throughout the week with minimal daily preparation. Don't forget about healthy snacks. Prepare portioned bags of nuts, seeds, or sliced veggies paired with hummus or yogurt. Having these snacks readily available can help curb unhealthy cravings and provide quick, nutritious options for both adults and children. Lastly, consider making a weekly meal plan to streamline the prep process. Outline which meals you'll be preparing each day and ensure that you have all the necessary ingredients on hand. This plan can help you stay organized and reduce the likelihood of last-minute unhealthy meal choices. In conclusion, healthy meal prep ideas for the whole family are a practical solution for maintaining a nutritious diet while managing a busy lifestyle. By planning and preparing meals in advance, you can ensure that everyone in the family enjoys wholesome, balanced meals throughout the week. Strategies such as bulk cooking, build-your-own meal stations, smoothie packs, and salad prep can simplify mealtime and make healthy eating more accessible. Embrace these meal prep tips to save time, reduce stress, and support the health and well-being of your entire family.